Hi friends, I hope you watched last two videos on AI agent frameworks before landing on this one. In last two sessions, we went through what an AI agent is, what are some of its challenges and impact, its key components and features, and some popular AI agent frameworks of today. If you have not watched those videos yet, please click here to watch it before you dive deeper with today's video. Today, we'll deep dive into PHIDATA that's now called as Agno, and we will cover Introduction to PHIDATA/Agno, Features, Use Cases, Implementation, Models and VectorDB Support, Upcoming Videos. We'll then conclude and talk about upcoming videos in AI Agent series. So, what is PHIDATA that's now known as Agno? It's a framework for building multi-model agents and workflows. It has memory, knowledge, and reasoning capability. It helps create domain-specific agents, integrate with any LLM, and manage agent state, memory, and knowledge. It's designed for performance and scale. It supports any model provider and allows running systems in your own cloud. It can interact with agents and workflows using a beautiful agent UI. Let's look at some of its features that makes this a powerful and popular framework. PHIDATA or Agno is simple yet elegant. It's powerful and flexible. With Agentic RAG built in, it can monitor, evaluate, and optimize. It has pre-built AI product templates that help you turn any LLM into an AI assistant. You can search using Google with this agent. It's model agnostic and can build AI agents with memory, knowledge, tools. It can also handle more complex tasks like creating teams of agents that collaborate. So, what are some of the use cases of PHIDATA or Agno? There are several use cases of PHIDATA or Agno where you can build an agent that builds web search functionality or is focused on weekend planning. It can also connect and send messages to Slack or get data analysis on finance and other domains. Shopping Agent can give personalized product recommendation to help users find items matching their preferences and needs. Or Learning Agent can help you learn about a topic with a detailed study plan. Discord Agent can help interact with family and friends. And Python Agent can help you gather insights based on inserted data, while Image Agent can create an image based on description. These are only some of the use cases that Agno can help you build. There are multiple levels of agents that can roughly be categorized as basic, intermediate, advanced, and complex based on their autonomy and agency. Basic agents perform basic interface tasks and have no tools. Intermediate-level agents use tools to perform autonomous tasks. Advanced agents use their knowledge, memory, and reasoning to perform advanced tasks, while complex agents can be teams of agents collaborating on complex workflows. Implementation of Agno can be performed in just a few steps. First, you'll need to install Python and create a virtual environment. Next, you'll need to install Agno using pip. Then, you'll need dependencies for your specific use case. Based on which model you choose, you'll need to export model provider key. Then, you work on building an agent based on your specific scenario or use cases. Last step is to run the agent. Here are some of the models that Agno supports. DeepSeek, that's a platform for providing endpoints for large language models. It also supports OpenAI, where GPT-40 would be good for most general use cases. GPT-40 Mini would be ideal for small tasks, 0-1 models for complex multi-step tasks. Other models that Agno supports include Gemini from Google, Bedrock from AWS, and NVIDIA that's suitable for high-performance language models. Full list of models that Agno supports can be found on their official website. Here are some of the vector DBs that Agno supports. The list includes DBs such as pgvector, LanceDB, Pinecone, Drant, MongoDB, Cassandra, ChromaDB, ClickHouse, Milvus, SingleStore, and many more. With that, I would like to conclude that PHIDATA or Agno is a powerful agent framework, yet simple and agile, that can be used for numerous basic, intermediate, or even complex multi-agent use cases. In the upcoming videos, we'll take a look at other AI agent frameworks that we covered in our prior videos, followed by a video of comparison of all these frameworks. So, stay tuned and keep watching AI-powered software engineering. To not miss any updates, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.